If you're enjoying the videos, show some love and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. Afternoon, folks. As Kiara and I walk out to get the horses here, I'd just like to take this moment to thank each and every one of you who take the time and watch the videos, who like, who subscribe, who make comments, and just give me your input and ideas and your support. I'm so grateful for the time you spend watching the videos and partaking in the journey with us. I'm not going to lie, it's not an easy journey, and what we're trying to do here is not easy. We've got big projects coming up in the near future. There's going to be a stable build and all kinds of things that are still going on, and things that we have to do just to stop injuries to Tando, and because he keeps injuring himself on the cow panels and stuff like that. But when you look at what's happening right now on the drone footage with the sunset, and then if you just look to the right there, you see the Superstition Mountains and stuff. There's just days when it's just absolutely worth it. And I love this lifestyle. As tough as it is, I'm just like living a dream, and I'm just so glad I can share it with you all. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Thanks. Kiara's been dancing in the pasture with Tando for about 5 minutes. And she moves and he just follows her. It's so cute. She just went out there and started dancing. She went to do some chores, move him around, and check now he's gonna follow her. He's following her. That's just a girl enjoying the horses. So the boys are all hot and bothered because of the fillies next door. They've just done a huge lap. And here go these guys. So they both got in and have had a roll. I've just put fly spray on and they rolled. Now they're gonna have a bit of a, hey, Tando! Tando! Hey! Leave the damn fly mask, man! Hey! This can be really silly farts sometimes. Come, birdie. Let's fix your mask, bud. Come, bird. Let me fix your mask. This bloody Tando. What's he like? Okay, so I fixed the mask that Tando tried to bloody pull off. You need to stop doing that, okay? It's a brand new mask. You broke the other one already. So I've left that hose running in the bucket, and it might be one of the biggest mistakes I make of my life, because I'm going to check whether the water's leaking through the berm and stuff. But I know that damn Tando, he's going to play with that flippin' hose. Look. He's very interested in the water. I got to keep an eye on him. Nah, I can't trust him. I'm gonna go back and take care of the bucket first, and then I'll go and look see if the irrigation leaked through. So I've just come across the most interesting thing while I'm picking poop. The poop was moving. I don't know if you guys can see that big one is moving. It's like these beetles or something underneath here. Look at this. Eating on the poop. That's the process working. Everything's breaking down. Man. Sorry to bring you guys in on a study of poop. The things we notice and do when you're cleaning poop every day. And then you go and you pick one up and it's moving like this. You're like, hey, that's a bit different. So you investigate And wish I could see them clearly. Yeah, look at these things. Wow. So we've always wondered about the poops and how come they end up like that, like broken down and stuff, as opposed to that one there that's like whole balls and stuff. So I'm really sorry I'm giving you a video on poop here, but I'm doing chores and I noticed these things, right? So I just saw a beetle land. It flew in and it landed. There's one right there, look. Here it is. There, it's digging in next to that piece of grass. See it digging in? So they're the things that are breaking this down. So that poop was probably done at like 5 o'clock in the morning. I got out here a bit late at about 6:30, and that's what breaks them down. And like you used to see these at some ranch like this from the chickens, but the chickens spread them out more and they break them up even like really, really fine. But it's just really interesting to see how quickly it happens. So I'm glad you saw the beetle come in and then burrow itself underground there. That'll be all good on my manure pile. Those beetles will be brilliant on my manure pile. So while we're on the topic of horses and their bathroom habits, Tando's like, he's very, very, should I say meticulous, or he pees in the same spot. So I know it because of this little tuft of grass that's growing up here. He pees on that, then he does one there, and one there, and then another one over there, here. So what I do is I dig out the pee spots and I spread the wood shavings around and let them dry out, and the pee spots dry out while I'm picking up the rest of the poop. And then, because you see there's a pile of poop under here. He stands here by the fan at night because of the mosquitoes, right? And he just poops. So I have to sift through this. It's like gold rush. I'm sifting through for the balls of gold, the little nuggets. But they break up, and then it's like, you just like, didn't get them all. But you can't be too OCD about it. Note to Dean, don't be too OCD about this. So that's them. After I've thrown the manure on the manure pile. And these are the ones that when I was scraping up, I've just seen now. A couple have flown off. A lot have just dived straight into the pile. They bury themselves so quickly. I guess these would be, though they're a lot smaller and not making dung balls and stuff like that, like dung beetles. This place is equivalent of the dung beetles back home. I don't know. But whatever they are, they do their job, man. They break down this poop. They're like little machines. Here's one here trying to burrow in. These things are incredible, man. So everybody came over for Callan's birthday and for Lisa and Sean getting their US citizenship. Sean's an American dude now. So everyone came over for lunch. We're just waiting for Callan to get the memory card for the drone. Liam's bringing it for him.
There's like one person that's not here though.
Who's that?
Sitting inside.
Oh, Brandon? He's getting married. You have to excuse him.
Wait, that doesn't excuse him. Why is it?
What's his value as a man, bro?
That's true.
So, what the guys they've come out. We're gonna build a sheep pen. So we're gonna build the sheep pen back there behind the hay bales, next to Bird's stall, and Isla's gonna help us. Hey, baby.
Mom.
So that's the plan, and then we're just gonna go and bring the boys in. We're gonna bring the boys in for dinner, and then we're gonna start building the sheep pen. Had to wait till it got a bit cooler. So Callan brought the drone out so we can have a look at the roof of the hay barn to see where we need to repair it and patch it to stop those leaks that you guys saw in the rain. Can you see anything? Oh. The red rake, Kiara. Oh, that other shovel's the better shovel for that, Sean.
This one, yeah?
The one,
like this.
the short one.
Like that.
Cool, bro.
Here you go.
Making a sheep pen. That's what we're making. So it's starting to take shape now. Pad is in its level, and we're measuring now for the pallets for the one side. Hey, you American.
Spit me free.
You had a little accident?
Yeah,
What happened?
stepped in the hole
Who did?
that we forgot was there.
Oh no! You guys have to be careful, Isla. Oh no! Okay, I'm coming to help. Isla stepped in the hole. So everyone's on the patio after the party and stuff, making the sheep shed. And I bought this bug light, a bug zapper. Oh my goodness. And we haven't got to put up a hook to hang it, so I just put it on this terracotta pot. The item is zapping. Listen to this. I won't lie, I hope it's all mosquitoes. All mosquitoes. Lisa on a scorpion hunt here gets the fright of her life.